Hello students, welcome back to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So now for our Madras School of Economics 2025 sample question paper, we are solving the question number 26. So in India, GST is a matter of jurisdiction of which? Central government, state government, both central and state government, or none of the above. So GST, goods and service tax. So here it means it's a dual tax. We all know, meaning it a matter of jurisdiction for both the central government and the state government. So GST Council was formed to ensure harmonized development of the tax structure across the country. Now it is three things which was being introduced to you: CGST, SGST and IGST. CGST was being levied by the central government, SGST was being levied on the state government, and IGST was being levied by the central government on the interstate transaction. So both the central and state government, that is option C, have the power to legislate on GST through the GST Act, because it's a matter of jurisdiction for both the governments in India. Next question we are having: a wholesaler in Tirupati sends an agent. Question number 27 we are reading out. To procure 100 bags of sugar from a factory in Vijayawada, the invoice and other documents are handed over to the agent in Hyderabad as directed by the wholesaler. So later the sugar bags are brought to Tirupati, amount paid online from SBI branch Chennai. So then the place of supply is what? So you know, in the case of GST, the place of supply is determined how? It based on where the goods are actually delivered, or there is a or where the supply is considered, to take place in the GST law. So here let us see in this scenario what it is happening. As we can see, the sugar bags are produced or procured from the factory in Vijayawada, and the invoice and documents are handed over where? They are handed over to the agent in Hyderabad. So it indicates only the transaction documents. Okay. And the goods are typically transported to where? Tirupati finally. So payment is made from an SBI branch which is Chennai, but this does not impact the place of supply. Now, according to the GST Act, when goods are moved from one place to another, the place of supply is typically where? The destination, actually where the focus is on destination where the good is actually delivered. So now, since the good are actually ultimately delivered to Tirupati, the place which you can derive or you can consider is concluded to be Tirupati. So here the answer, the place of supply is Tirupati, where the goods are delivered to the wholesaler, is being determined. Okay. So if you are having any questions, any question related to any topic, or you want any query, or in any topic in anywhere, microeconomics, you can tell it us to on this number.